LTV repair, and this is a functionality proof for a main board for LG 55LE5400 belonging to a customer whose name and markings were on the back of the board on labels, but because we had to replace the main processor, which requires heating of the board on the professional BGA rework machine seen on other videos, I had to take those paper signs on the back. So you will be going with, I guess, this sign, which is fairly unique, to make sure that this is your board. There is a note for the customer. We've agreed that if we show that the HDMI ports work, there will be no warranty further on the board, because the board had been previously worked on. There was a huge splash of silver silicone heat transfer compound on the back, and it has gotten under the processor. It wasn't probably the reason for the problem, but it made the repair harder and costlier. Ultimately, actually, it ended up being a very solid repair, so I will be surprised if that board goes bad anytime soon. But they're old, heat can warp them, and it's definitely possible that it might happen. All 4 HDMI ports were tested. This is HDMI 2, apparently. This is 3, my bad. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, or the other way, 1, 2, 3. I think 1 was at the top. Either way, we tested all 4. They're all working, and you're getting the board back again without warranty. That's all. Thank you.